Hi, everybody. All right, let's get into actually graphing these systems of equations. So here's the reminder. We could have three different options. We can have one solution where they intersect once, infinite solutions where it's the same line, or no solution if they're parallel. Okay, so here are our steps for graphing. Step number one is we are going to write the equations in y is equal to mx plus b form. That way we can graph it on our graph. Next, we are going to graph both of those lines on our graph, and then we're going to find the point where they meet or intersect. So let's look at this solution. Sometimes they'll write this squiggly bracket. It just is keeping everything together. It doesn't really mean anything super fancy. Okay, so the first one is y is equal to negative 3x plus 5. Here we are going to start with our b value. That is our y-intercept, so that's our beginning. So go to the graph at 0, 5. Plot your point. Then we are going to use the slope. The slope here is negative 3, which we can say is negative 3 over 1, down 3 to the right 1 if we're using rise over run. We can continue to do that to get some more points. We will graph our line and connect those guys, and now we go on to the next one. So I've graphed the first one. Second one, I go up to 1. My slope in front of this is 1, so I'm going up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1, so on and so forth. I am going to connect my lines, and now I'm going to look, hey, where do they cross? Well, Miss Gish, they cross right here, and now I need to find the point. That point is 1, 2. So we always write our answer as a point. The x value here is 1. The y value here is 2. That's it. We found our solution. The solution is 1, 2. Okay, last one we're going to do. So notice the first step of this, it says write equations in the form y is equal to mx plus b. This guy is not there yet, so we need to first put it in y is equal to mx plus b. I need to solve for y, so I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. I get y is equal to 3x minus 2. Now I can go ahead and plot. This is at negative 2 is my b value. My slope is 3, so up 3 to the right 1 for rise over run, and then connect those points. Next, I need to fix the second equation. It is also not in y equals form, or is it? So notice the y is just on the right side. We could totally just rewrite that as y is equal to 3x plus 4. So again, I'm going to start with my b value. I'm going all the way up here to 4. My slope is 3, so I'm going up 3 to the right 1. Ooh, I ran out of room, so we can do the opposite. I can also go down 3 and to the left 1. Down 3 and to the left 1. I'm going to connect my points. And what do we notice here, guys? It looks like they are never going to intersect. When you have two lines with the same slope, notice how they're both 3. Those are parallel lines. Think back to geometry. They are never going to cross. So the answer to my system of equations is no solution. When they have the same slope, you're going to tell me no solution because they are never going to intersect. All right, if you guys have questions, come find me. If not, I will see y'all in the next one.